Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make professional looking Forza car cinematics. So I hope this video helps you, and go check out my other videos to see how good I am. Alright, so first things first, you have to find a good spot to go take photos at, just for the beginning part. And for the photos, the way you want to take them is what music you're going to be using in your video. So if you're going to be using fast music, slow music, etc. So these are the settings that I use for my camera. And there's nice settings that you can do, like turn off car lights and whatever. So here is, a little bit of a slower clip that you would do in the beginning of a song, because usually any beat or song, in the beginning of it goes slow. Or you can obviously go fast. And I edit with iMovie. It is an amazing app, and I think you guys should download it. But I am not sponsored. So now, what you're gonna want to do after you do all your clips, you're gonna want to drive around, but you're gonna need to drive steady, because what you're gonna need to do is rewind all the way back. Then you're gonna click X to view replay. Now after you view the replay, you click pause, and you can hold LT to go back or RT to go forward, and you can choose any camera type. Now, car close, there's a bunch. There's about like 3 or 4 options in every single 3, but the last 3 are all moving shots. So let's say I want to get this shot. You hide the HUD, and you click X, and then you play. And it turns into this. But make sure you drive steady. See right here, I'm just driving nice and steady, and I really hope this makes sense. And right here, then you go ahead and rewind. Now there's a bunch of different camera options, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this one and play the video. But make sure you hide the HUD. Then you go ahead and capture the clip on however you do it. So when you do these, find really good spots and take a lot of clips, because what I do, I take a lot and I don't even use most of them, just so you can have a variety. So now if you go in photo mode, while you advance, you can move the camera freely while your car is moving. And here are all my camera stats once again. And you can learn all these, brightness, and mess with them. But this is what I use. And so, you always have to be steady with your shots. Don't be all rigid or anything. Just be very steady and correct. And sometimes I like to choose the beat before I do the video, just so I know what I want to do. And to clean, if your car is dirty, to clean it, you're gonna have to click LB and reset cosmetic damages. So now, thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed and helped you. I am not the world's best explainer, so have a nice day.